Mike. Hey, get a Coke. I want a Coke. Dude, give me a Coke.
One, nigga. One.
No, just give me a fucking Coke.
What the fuck do you want from me, man, dude?
Just climb in the washing machine. Climb in the washing machine and get it over with.
It's done. It's done. If you would've got it, you would've got it. First hand experience. There's nothing in there. Seriously, it's alright, it's fine. Dude, I'm sweating bullets here, man.
Can you order some food?
No.
Out the machine. Get some food in the machine. Get some food out the machine. For real. I know you got some silver dollars.
God wishes I had silver dollars. Oh, that's what just dropped. So we just dropped out of nowhere. Yes.
Where'd you get it?
Yes. Dude, do some more food drop. What the fuck? Is it munchies? Oh my god, I did too much shit. Dude, what the fuck, man? Are you shitting me? Dude, you don't film this shit.
Do it. Dip it. Dip it. Dip it.
Six. Okay, takes his suit off. His suit off.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Shake it! Look at the combos! Are you kidding me? Kick it! The combos! Look at the combos! Are you fucking stupid? Look at the combos! Just shake it!
Dude, they're seeing me right now.
Just shake it!
It's cool. It's cool.
Just shake the fucking machine!
B1. B1.
Just shake the machine!
Sweet!
Oh my god! gotta shake the fucking machine.
I'm not shaking.
Look at the combos. Look at the combos. You fucking...
Oh yeah, combo candy.
Oh my god. Are you fucking kidding?
No way, I'm on, no way. That's it. That's all I want.